As our ship sidles into the slip for this next Caribbean caper, we get ready to embark on an excellent exotic excursion where we will be seeking out geocaches, wildlife, fun friends, and amazing scenery. This must be beautiful Bonaire. Ready to rock Bonaire, our group followed our guides onto the buses and off to our first stop, the Staghorn Coral Beaches at the north end of the island nation. Found throughout the Caribbean, Staghorn Coral is the fastest growing Western Caribbean coral with 10 to 20 centimeters of growth per year. Along this beach, we also learned about the tiny slave houses built from that coral, which were for those who worked at the nearby salt ponds and mines. Speaking of salt mining, have you ever wondered where our North American road salt comes from? From the saltwater ponds of Bonaire. Evaporated by the Caribbean sun, these shallow ponds are excavated and the salt is loaded onto freighters where it heads north. And here we tried our first taste of Bonaire, the salvia plant.
There's a little bit of salvia plant here. We're going to try this out as something that the locals eat. They use it to cook with.
Back on the bus now to Trip the Light Flamingo as we head for the 1,000 steps and some geocaching adventure. We headed down the slightly hyperbolized 1,000 steps to the seashore.
Here at the 1,000 steps in Bonaire. Just coming down to the water here to check this beautiful scenery out. Yeah, it's right here.
Got it over here.
Behind the two black pillars.
Behind the two black pillars, just like the hint says.
I found it.
Found it. Woohoo!
All right, guys, it's all signed. We're going to put her back. And a couple trackables in there for the next cacher. So, hey, if you're watching this and you're coming down to Bonaire, pick up some TVs.
We also found some native wildlife watching us watch him. I shall name him Lunch.
Behind me is Lake Goto. There's our tour buses having an amazing time.
Our next stop was to sample a local specialty, Tiki Bon.
What is the drink called?
It's called Tiki Bon, and it's made out of cactus, and this is the flavor with coconut.
Awesome.
On the bar, we have the other flavors with mango, pineapple, passion fruit, blue Bonaire, and I think that's probably it.
That's a lot.
Yeah. Cheers.
This is full here.
That's tasty.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, I guess we'll have to get some to bring home.
And next, the Bonaire Museum in a home built in 1885. Many Bonairean citizens have donated from their private collections, giving you a glimpse into the life of the people of Bonaire from the late 1800s to modern times. And speaking of some fun modern Bonaireans,
Bini.
And your names?
Oh, sorry. My name is Manu.
My name is Angelica.
And what are you doing with us today?
We're
Having fun.
having an island tour and searching for
Geocachers.
You found some.
Yes, of course, I got some.
Awesome.
I don't know. Yes, of course, I'm counted. You see here?
Oh,
Geocacher up.
there we go. All right, ladies, thank you for a wonderful day. We've been having an amazing time. What would you say is, if somebody is coming to Bonaire, what they absolutely have to do and see?
a tour with us.
Yes!
Bonaire.
Funny
There
one.
you go.
Bonaire Adventure Tour.
capping off a great day of geocaching and touring, Angelica and Manu brought us for lunch at El Mundo to dive into some local delicacies after a nice cold beverage. Cheers.
Hey guys, it is our iguana soup.
I don't know how this is going to turn out.
All right. Watch out for the bones.
Oh. I got a big old piece of iguana leg there. Iguana leg. Tastes like
Chicken.
tastes like chicken. You knew she was gonna say tastes like chicken.
It does. That is pretty good.
It's a little gamier than chicken, but it's good. That's really flavorful. There you go. Come to Bonaire, iguana soup. Got to do it.
And after ingesting the intriguing iguana soup, we explored some more of this laid-back island at a relaxed pace. Ooh, nice.
Oh, yeah, and then the dive. That makes perfect sense.
It's very cool. Just outside a dive shop.
Oops.
Really cool statue here just off the cruise ship in Bonaire. It is all made out of rubbish that has washed up on the beaches.
We've enjoyed reliving our trip to Bonaire, and if you've enjoyed it also, perhaps you'd consider sharing it with your friends. There's plenty more great content coming, so please subscribe, like, and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any exciting episodes of our geocaching adventures. A special thank you to our amazing Patreon patrons who help to support our work. Anonymous, RCA777, Jeff, Valena, Mark K, Mark D, Leanne, and Scott and Jesse. So to learn more about the perks of being a patron, check out patreon.com/LANMonkey.